Hi, I'm Sean Spees, Director of Sales for Kliklok North America, which is part of the Syntegon family. As you can see, wow, what a history. Kliklok has been a household name in packaging and cartoning, forming and closing for 80 years now. And we have made some great enhancements to our machinery over the years, and a couple of those are the ACE, which is our Advanced Carton Erector, and the ACC, which is the Advanced Carton Closer. What we hear from our customers, challenges they face with carton forming and carton closing, really revolve around a few items. One is size formats, flexibility with types of materials, which really talks more to sustainability, ergonomics and safety, and also carton quality, and really that more from a forming and both a closing perspective. We have to be able to adapt to that. So the great part about the ACE and the ACC is they can run a lot of different substrates and materials, from light paperboard up to B-flute or stiffer corrugate type material. And if we're able to run lighter substrates, we're able to run lighter point board, this equals cost savings for that customer. And we're talking thousands of pounds of material per year. When we look at downtime, that's also a major pain point for our customers as well. Again, they want these machines to run 24/7, and we want to design them that way. How we do that is we do have easy access to our machines. Operators can get in, they can do maintenance work, they can do easy toolless changeover for different sizing formats. We use Beckhoff AMP controls, which means there's no panel. All of the controls are on board inside the machine, and it's very plug and play and very easy for operators to maintain and work. One of the unique features of the ACE, of the carton erector, is either running lock style cartons or glue style cartons. Typically machines would be set up to run either or you'd have to change over a machine, which could be pretty tedious and pretty cumbersome when it comes to an overall changeover. The benefit of the ACE is we can run lock and glue style cartons on the same machine and at the same time, which is pretty neat. So on the closer, we have what are called flexible finger belts. So that's on the overhead when the cartons are transferring through to the closing section. The benefit of the flexible finger belts is exactly that. They are flexible and not a rigid style belt. What that allows is it gives us more wiggle room, let's say, to be able to run larger formats. What the ACE can provide, one, is servo profiled motion or kinematic motion. Again, we mentioned our controls platform as well, which can really control that carton through the forming section. So we have our low-level hopper, we have the profiled controlled shuttle system, and then into our forming cavity, which is profiled servo motion as well. So we can get accurate forming, and again, whether that's lock or accurate glue placement for glue forming, and you get a perfectly formed carton. So why the ACE and the ACC? These machines truly embrace the voice of customer enhancements for large format size capability, safety, ergonomics, material, sustainability, higher OEE. Syntegon will continue to provide best-in-class packaging solutions for the pharma and food industries. We'd love to hear from you. We would love to become a packaging partner, and please visit us on our website.